Hi guys, it's Sophia here.
And the Reese 114.
We're going to play White Noise. Let's go.
Download this Xbox Live. I should turn the notifications off. Nice going. The hell? Why is there another person there?
What the heck is that?
No wait. This is single player.
I know.
How come
Hang
there's
on. Frig off. Frig off! There's a tape recorder somewhere.
Oh wait. Is that not in single player? Maybe ghosts appear near where the tape recorders are near where they died. There it is. Turn around. There. I don't think you can go in there.
No.
Oh,
Where is that?
Is he?
He's there. Behind.
I didn't even see him.
I'll see him quickly.
Was he behind the church?
Yeah.
If you turn your light off, maybe you won't notice you're there.
God, why are you so unfit? I should have been the black man.
There is none, I don't think.
Racist.
I know. Unless you download a certain game, I think it might give you one.
Oh, go away, please.
How do you know if he's chasing you?
So the music's still there.
Oh, so the music means when he's there.
Yeah.
Right.
He was. Oh, God. I want to take a run for it.
He's gonna get you.
He's going to go for this.
That's where he was.
I know, I'm going to go this way, I'm going to go this way. Run.
You're gonna die. You're gonna die.
Why does he not want us to get these tape recordings? Why? Why does he not?
No.
There's the bridge.
I think a tape recorder's nearby because the interference is starting to get a little bit.
It is near it.
But he's still next to you, isn't he?
He's somewhere close to his eye. Right. I think there's going to be one up here.
There's a pillar. There's a pillar.
Mate in your galaxy. Mate.
There's a few pillars.
Oh,
Around. That's the one thing you don't do. You never turn around.
I've just turned round.
Oh, there he is.
Oh no.
There he is.
Oh,
Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. He's coming. He's coming to hug
Oh, Jesus again.
you. Was he there?
Yeah, he's getting closer.
Oh, God.
Oh,
God, there he is.
Oh, God, he's not going. He's not going.
He's coming. He's coming to hug you.
Oh, I'm going to die. I'm choking. Oh.
Why does he not just go and hide up in a tree?
Why can't I just turn my light off and just go to sleep? Why are we in the forest? Why are we in the forest anyway?
Why? That's the whole thing.
Why?
Why do kids always go in the forest?
Why are we looking for a tape recorder in the forest? Really? Why? Right, nowhere. Oh, hang on.
We can go either nowhere, or somewhere.
Hang on.
He's just gonna pop.
That near a tape recorder somewhere this way.
It's either the left or the right. Maybe it's behind this wall. He's gonna be there. Watch, he's gonna be there.
Oh, shit.
Oh,
shit.
there he is.
Oh, God. Right, well, that interference is totally gone, so I've got to walk right.
Oh, there he
God,
is.
he's still there. He's going to get us. He's going to get us.
You should have just turned around.
Hey?
You should have just turned around that way.
Oh, don't choke.
Stop choking.
God, we've only got one tape recording at the minute. And we've
We've got to at least die with 2.
We're doing...
Now, tape recorder's got to be somewhere.
Oh,
He's still next to us. What, did you think you see it? Turn on your light. Ooh. It sounds like Darth Vader.
friggin' hell's this?
There's a fence. There's always a fence.
Oh,
I wonder if it's a teddy.
there's always
A teddy. Moving down the watch.
Oh,
Jesus Christ!
Oh, God.
Oh, we died with 1.
Oh, 7 minutes we were on that for.
Yeah, 7.
7 minutes.
I even jumped and I wasn't actually really fully looking at the screen.
Like, subscribe, and damn.